YouTube, this is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. I was researching some other crypto plays and came across this one, support.com. Ticker is SPRT, and as you can see, I got this one pulled up on Robinhood. So you can trade it on Robinhood, Webull, etc. If you're looking for a new platform outside of Robinhood, check my links in the description. You can get a free link to Webull. Get some free stock. Doe, you can get some free stock. Firstrade, Moomoo. I have quite a few links in the description. Feel free to help yourself. But back to support.com. If you don't know what this one is, it's in the provision of technical support services and cloud-based software. It offers turnkey and outsourced support services for service providers, retailers, Internet of Things, solution providers, and technology companies. Been around since 1997, a small market cap of 82.77 million and kind of a small volume. But I thought this was kind of an interesting play, and I got some information here. Bitcoin miner Greenidge Generation Holdings and support.com announce merger agreement. Greenidge expects to be the first publicly traded Bitcoin mining company with a wholly owned power plant. Greenidge expects to achieve calendar year 2020 EBITDA in excess of $50 million and a run rate in excess of $160 million of EBITDA by Q4 2022. You can see the hash rate and all the other information here about this one. Feel free to pause and go over that there for yourself. And again, this kind of goes over a little bit more about the holding company. Greenidge is a holding company that includes a vertically integrated Bitcoin mining and power generation facility in upstate New York. Today announced it expects to become a Nasdaq listed company through a merger with support.com, SPRT. The companies have signed a definitive agreement to merge in a stock-for-stock transaction subject to support.com shareholder approval and other customary closing conditions. Greenidge's integrated business models deliver significant competitive advantage compared to Bitcoin mining peers. Greenidge owns its power generation assets and operates its own mining equipment, unlike most of other Bitcoin miners. This allows Greenidge to operate without relying on highly variable third-party power purchase and hosting agreements that are subject to renegotiation or other cost volatility. The company also boasts low fixed costs shared between its power generation and Bitcoin mining operations. And feel free to pause and go over the rest there for yourself. Quite a bit of information about the merger and everything about support.com. Again, you can find this on Business Wire. Support.com, the stock for success over the next few months. In the last trading session, 1,598,246, support.com shares changed hands in the company's beta touched 0.55 with the company's per share price of $4.78. Changed hands at minus 23 cents or minus 0.05% during the last session. The market valuation stood at $112.76 million. Support.com last price was a discount traded about minus 97.77 off the 52-week high of $9.45. The share price had a 52-week low of $1.02, which suggests the last value was 78.66% up since then. The 10-day average, 52.74 million shares, and the 3-month average coming to 5.33 million. So I thought this was kind of an interesting play, and where it's on Robinhood, and some would consider this a penny stock where it's under $5. Thought it would be an interesting play, and wanted to bring it to your attention, see who out there has this one. Here it shows reports fourth quarter and 2020 financial results, and this is just dated actually tomorrow. So yes, their earnings are expected tomorrow on the 31st. A leader in customer and technical support solutions delivered by home-based employees today reported unaudited financial results for its fourth quarter and year-end December 31st, 2020. For the fourth quarter of 2020, total revenue was $10.5 million, a decrease of $2.8 million or 21% compared to revenues of $13.3 million in the fourth quarter for 2019, and up $0.2 million or 2% compared to revenues of $10.3 million in the third quarter of 2020. Revenues for the full year 2020 were $43.9 million, a decrease of 31% compared to revenues of $63.3 million in the full year 2019. We've recorded break-even net income in the fourth quarter of 2020, and feel free to pause and go over the rest of the financials there for yourself. Here it kind of goes over gross profit was $3.8 million in the fourth quarter. Gross profit margin of 36% increased compared to 27% in the fourth quarter of 2019. Here it goes over the balance sheet. Equivalents and short-term investments were $30 million compared to $26.4 million at December 31st, 2019, and $29.7 million on September 30th of 2020. Total assets were $39.3 million. And here it goes over a little bit more about Support.com as a leading provider of customer and technical support solutions delivered by home-based employees. For more than 20 years, the company has achieved stellar results for global enterprise clients and top-tier businesses. Support.com's proven omni-channel solutions have been specifically designed and optimized for home sourcing environment, resulting in industry-leading NPS scores and first call resolution rates. So I thought this was kind of an interesting play. I haven't heard anybody talking about this one, and just wanted to bring this one to your attention, and like I said, see who out there has it. Again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. Kind of an interesting play here, and getting into the crypto and everything. So let's see what StockTwits has here. $4.60 is the resistance point if we get some volume possibility of a little run. And sometimes these do run, and so they can be kind of volatile. So again, if you're looking to get into this one, just be cautious, because they can be volatile up and down. But again, I don't give tax, legal, or trading advice. Just bringing this one to your attention. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. That would really help out the channel, and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Because I'll probably be working on some more cryptocurrency here. Say goodbye to a positive day again. I can't handle this. So yeah, just like I said, some of these can be up and down, and some people can't handle them. So if you can stay in them for the long run, that's the key. So, and wasn't anything here on TipRank. So again, that is Support.com, ticker SPRT. Just wanted to throw that one out there and see who has it. And I thank you for watching. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.